August is the perfect time to open your own Norwex consultant account, and let me tell you why. So in August, you can get started for just $30. With that, you get full consultant privileges, including the ability to earn 35% on your sales, plus that 35% discount for yourself. You can earn the full starter kit for free, which comes with the mop, the EnviroCloth, window cloth, dust mitt, a mini of the cleaning paste and laundry soap, the face and body cloths. Still can earn that for free along with the Bright Start rewards. So let me show you really quickly what comes in the on-the-go starter kit. First of all, this cute Norwex tote. I love it, super practical for keeping your cleaning supplies. It has pockets to put your liquids in. And the MVP pack comes with a travel size EnviroCloth, window cloth, and face and body cloth, okay? And then this cute little mini me of our Enviro wand. So this is the mini. It is not available in the catalog, so if you want it, this is your moment for sure. And remember, this is interchangeable with the mop system. You just pop this off and pop on the mop handle, all right? So that's what comes in it. Now, if you're working with a consultant, I'm sure they're taking awesome care of you. If you are looking for a consultant to help you get started, I would be honored to be your sponsor and mentor. If so, you can join at my link, joinwithsonya.com. And if you have any questions, be sure to message me, drop a comment below. And if you find these Norwex updates helpful, be sure to click follow. We'll see you soon.